Welcome! This week we have prepared something really cool. Stay until the end of the video to see the results. Today we make a giant simple dimple with a Gato rainbow and a Gata moon. To make this giant fidget we will need an iron, foam sheets, some cardboard and scissors. We will start by taking our cardboard and something circular to make the shape. I took this small ball and I'm putting it like this to mark 2 circles with a pencil. When we have them, we cut them out. And it will look like this. We would need 2 pieces like this, but since my cardboard was separating into 2 parts, I just took it and divided them like this. If you do this, be very careful not to break any of the circles. You can't do this with all kinds of cardboard. So if you can't do it with yours, don't worry. You just have to make 2 equal pieces as I said, and that's it. Now we're going to prepare the foam so that our giant fidget looks perfect. For this, I'm ironing a piece of foam very carefully. If you do this activity with children, it's obvious that this part has to be done by the adult. As you can see, there was a lot of steam coming out and the camera got foggy. What we have to do is to keep it warm to be able to shape it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. When the foam is still warm, we're going to put it on top of the ball we used to make the circles on the cardboard and hold it there for a few seconds to keep the same shape. And now we're going to do the same with the other piece of foam. As you can see, I've chosen the colors yellow and purple, like our dear Gato and Gata moon. It couldn't be otherwise. We give it the same shape as we did before, and that's it. Now it's time to trim the excess of foam, but without forgetting to leave a small margin so that it doesn't escape when we assemble a simple dimple. Perfect, we already have both. And now we have to build it. To do this, we're going to pour silicone all around the circle very carefully so that we don't burn ourselves. Now we're going to glue the foam circle on top. When we have it, we're going to check that there are no gaps and that everything is well glued to the cardboard. And if you're liking this video, don't forget to leave us a like. What do you think about how this fidget is turning out? We have the feeling that it's going to be very funny and that we're going to use it a lot. Well, we already have everything well glued, so we're going to cut a little bit here because it gets into the other circle and will not look great. Now we're going to glue the other circle in the same way. We put glue and then we put it on top. And we put more silicone on the spaces that are not well glued. Now that the 2 foam circles are in place, it's time to shape our simple dimple. To do this, we cut out the remaining foam and check that the other cardboard that we had looks good on top. And now we're going to put silicone to glue it well. It's very important to lift it up a little bit to make sure that we put silicone on the entire surface. That way it will be perfect and it will last longer. By the way, let us know in the comments if you want to continue watching videos of fidgets. We love to read you and make videos that you like. We finished gluing everything very well and it's almost done. Now we just have to give it a simple dimple shape with the scissors. And we have it! Check out how funny it looks! And listen to the sound that it makes, just like a real simple dimple. But being so big, it's much more fun to use. The truth is that we really like the results. Do you? Do you want us to try to make more giant fidgets like this one? Well, and before we go, we want to send a very special greeting to Emily. And remember that if you also want a greeting, you just have to let us know in the comments. And check out this same video in Spanish on our channel. We'll see you next week with a new video. Bye!